Hi guys, it's Christine with the Geocache family. It is 102 degrees outside. It was 100 yesterday. It's in the 90s tomorrow. And then, okay, this is why this man is my best friend. We got some roofing to put over the bun-buns because they are still getting pretty hot. And we're sitting here just laughing about what we have fit into this minivan and all of the minivans we have owned over the years. Got a nice area breeze here as we're driving home. I love you. We are out in the Rabbitry trying to give these guys a little bit more shade because it is so flippin' hot. So right now they have ice bottles in with them and ice cubes in their watering bowls that of course have melted so fast. And we have fans going on them. I actually got to get one more fan out here for the girls. It is so hot. So we bought 8 of these corrugated metal roofing sheets. They're 12 feet long, I think, by 3 feet wide, if I remember the measurements right. Maybe 4 feet, I don't know, it's hard to tell. Maybe 4 feet. We're not going to be able to take it up all the way around to the tree, but even if we can get up to the trees, we can slide the bunnies down a little bit more underneath that. And then I'm hoping we have a couple pieces left over for the sheep and Owen because they're hot too. It's so sad. Oh, we come out here and we spray and like I won't stop doing it because pigs can't sweat and Owen is hot. But he's been making his own wallows to roll in to cool down. We did shear the sheep a couple weeks ago before we hit this high, but they're just so hot. I can't put a fan out here because the freaking puppy and Hazel, who is a year and a half now, eat cords. And so that's why we have it strung up into the trees going over to the rabbits. But if we could make another little section, I mean, they have shade, there's shade, but there's just a noticeable difference when you have the roofing materials underneath trees. So husband is going to get the chainsaw so that we can cut down a few more branches off of this area here, and then we're going to try and use these pieces that were up in the greenhouse to go down the middle to secure the metal to the middle to the edge, and then we got things like this to hook up underneath and then connect to the metal on the edges. They're just miserable. Oh. We come out first thing in the morning, fresh water, hay, food, and try and let them play early, and then as it gets to the hot hours, which is basically from about 1 to 3, 4 o'clock, that's when everybody's got to just pant and try and relax as best they can. We seem to be floundering between too freaking cold to do anything and too freaking hot to do anything. Being a transplant, I am not used to this, so it sucks. And then these poor animals. Gotta try and get everybody, and it's not horrible, but it's not pleasant either. It's so hot, huh guys? I'm so sorry. We're trying, okay? We'll try and get you guys some more shade. It just sucks. Ugh. What are you doing, huh? Are you hot? I know it sucks. We're just a pig boy. Owen, where are you? Where are you? Owen. Oh, there you are. Oh, you're filthy. What did you do? Huh? What did you do? You're such a mess. All right, stop. We're trying to get the fluffle together. Jeremy put wire down so they can't dig out and the boys can't dig in because freaking Void got out of this pen and Castor on the other side got out of his and then dug under and got to her again. So we probably have another...
So Void had gotten out of here, dug under, and was in there.
Oh, she went into his side?
Yeah,
okay.
And then he dug out, and then they were with each other in
yeah,
the morning,
so... Yeah. Freaking pain in my butt. I thought for sure this would hold until we could get it lined, and no, so we probably have another flippin' litter, and we still have 4 other boys that we need to find homes for still. So anyway, we're trying to get the Fluffle to acclimate, and little Aspen got into a fight, it looks like. So she's breathing pretty hard. Yeah. Anyway, there is going to be some fighting. I think we should put some lavender on her nose.
She was already sneezing pretty bad after.
Well, yeah, I'm sure she got blood inside of her nose. Andromeda, how are you, beautiful? Hi. Hi, you beautiful girl. What you doing, huh? What you doing?
She's so beautiful.
She is pretty. You need to kind of cut this, honey, so that it makes an opening.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's pointless. It's just a box. I think they'll be okay. You can come back in now. Okay, so just cut openings on the sides of these boxes.
Okay.
So they can slide under them. I just fixed that one then. Just so there's some hidey holes while they're trying to get used to each other.
They loved Andromeda. She loved that cat tower
Did
thing.
she?
I put it on the side because it was a bit wobbly when I had it standing up, so I just put it down and she just went into it.
Yeah, it just makes them feel like... Matter of fact, you know what? Go over there by where the sheep used to be and get that other cat toy that we had given. Remember, Sable played in it? It's still over there, and bring that in here too.
Okay.
That gives another hidey hole. Hate them going behind the cages, but...
I do too, but for some reason it makes me feel safe being behind there.
I also don't like her getting close to this fan. Yeah, it's not safe.
Yeah, Dad's favorite black one was doing it earlier. He's like, she stuck her face right into the fan, and I was like, did she? And he's like, yeah.
Yeah, it's dangerous. I think we need to hang it upside down like he was saying.
Yeah.
Alright, we still need to come up with a name for this one.
What'd you call the other white one? The one that's in the brick there?
Thistle?
Thistle.
Andromeda, Thistle, and what about Clover?
Clover's cute.
You look like a clover.
Clover's cute. I like that.
Not really. I mean, she doesn't look like Clover, but she looks like a clover.
Yeah.
Clover is a fitting name.
Yeah.
We could call her Nightshade. That's a plant.
I like that.
That's the bad thing, is when they are not fixed, that urge to breed is high.
It's also really hard to get them fixed when you don't have...
Well, we don't have vets in our area that will do it.
Exactly, yeah.
Not even within 2 hours. At least not that I've found anyway. I'm not spaying 14 females. So, they just need to learn to get along. It feels pretty good in here.
Yeah, it's not bad over here.
Why is it not cutting?
Because the chain is dull.
Do we need to get a new one? You don't sharpen chains, right?
They can, but not happening.
Gosh dang it. Anytime we get ready to actually try and tackle. You want me to go see if I can borrow Dad's?
This chainsaw?
Yeah, just so I can get them out of the way. Because they are going to impede our work and flow. Let me give it to the sheep to snap them. Zoisha, Bahia, do you guys want this? Do you want this? Do you want this? Come here. You guys want to nibble on that? Ooh, look. Doesn't that smell good? Here, come get in the shade. Owen, you want a snack? You dirty pig. Come here. Here. You gonna nibble it? Mmm. Get it. Isn't it yummy, huh? Isn't it yummy? What? Ooh, ooh. Here, you want me to hold it? Here. What? Do you want it? Zoisha. Zoisha. What? What? You want it, Owen? You dirty pig. Look at that mud on you. It's all caked on you. Ooh! Definitely difference between a dull blade or dull chain versus a sharp one. Okay, looks good. I think the most frustrating thing about doing projects is that you literally spend a day just sourcing materials and things that you need. Freaking sucks. Why you look so mean, huh? Why you look so mean? We're working on it, babies. We're working on it. Oh. We can't kill this dang tree. You guys want some cottonwood? Huh? Do you want to eat some of this? Stupid dog. You're gonna get sick. I can't throw too much over there for you guys because you'll get sick too. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, Hazel, get it, get it. Does it make you happy to destroy stuff? Get it. Good girls. Here. Give some to the bun buns. They're so hot. Yeah, it's like one thing. What are you doing, huh? Bahia, did you get her? Huh? Is it cooling down? It feels better, huh? Yeah, it feels better. Hey, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is it gonna headbutt you? Get her, Bahia. Get her. Get her. Zoisha, good girl. Did you try and break it up, huh? Did you try and break it up? Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Oh my gosh, so funny. So funny. Maple was so rough with them when they were tiny, and now they're over it, huh? Yeah, he's a good girl, Soisha. Huh, he's a good girl. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I love you. Good girl. Oh my gosh. Yeah, does it feel good? Does it feel good? Yeah. What are they doing, Hazel? Huh? What are they doing? Silly babies. Alright. Until I can afford an actual hay stand for my girls, this is my temporary fix. We use the straps that are around it to tie it because Bahia is a brat and she keeps dumping it even though she doesn't need to. So I'm doing this just so she can't flip it, because the stuff at the bottom I can feed to the rabbits or Owen instead of it being on the ground like back there. Huh, you little brat. I give them the sheep feed with corn, and it's got molasses and goodness in there on top of the Timothy pellets, which is the same hay that they're eating. It's just in pellet form. And they're such brats. They sit there and they pick around until they find all of the feed stuff out, and they don't touch the pellets. Never thought I could love animals so much, even though there are days they drive me insane. Oh, yeah, you too. Have you seen Maple's collar?
No, I have not.
It's missing again. This is the third time in a month. Dang dog keeps getting out of her collar. Was that good? Was that good? You silly girl, huh? I heard you slurping. You were slurping. Spoiled animals. No more unsanctioned rabbit breeding, correct? Mm-hmm. Stupid rabbits. Buttheads. It's looking good though. This is the boy side. He's almost got the things going across for shade. We're reusing the spikes that didn't bend when we pulled up the tarp in the greenhouse. It's kind of nice. I need to go get my frog tog though. I'm already sweating. Oh. You can do it. Pink cheeks and all. Come on. Hit it. You're twisting it. Holy crap. Don't Hulk smash it. What?
Did you not have this problem?
I did not have any of the ones that I've put in turn and twist. Well, go ahead and blame it on the fact that they're used staples and not that you're a baby Hulk in the making. All right, if it does it again, I was like, yeah, I was like, you need to just move to a different spot because clearly something is in the way there.
Yeah.
or you're just in rage mode. Jeez. Well, that's one way to get it down. The middling worked on this side. This side's pretty much done. Oh, trying to stay hydrated out here because it's so flippin' hot. Oh, I won't have to worry about boxes for the babies no more because they will have shade. That's so cool. Oh. I think a storm is trying to push in. I had to take a nap. It was hurting so bad. Oh, the bunny boys are so hot. They're so cute when they work together. Really? You moron! Yes! Hazel! Idiot dog! Alright, so we had a storm come in pretty quick last night. And so I didn't get to show you the completed bunny rabbitry area. But they are fully shaded now. And now we got to rearrange it. Boy, they still have a lot of sun in this front half, huh?
Yeah.
We need to, before we bring bunnies in, that piece of wire back there around that tree, we need to stake that down.
Okay.
And then we can start moving everybody. Yeah, we'll get you guys back on the ground. But anyway, that's their roofing. It rained good and it did not get soaked in here at all. So it's definitely gonna help.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah.
Dealing with soap stuff
Yeah.
after it rains.
It sucks. Yep. Yep. Alrighty. Well, let's tackle this. Oh, Daddy did such a good job. What do you guys think, huh? It's nice, isn't it? Being able to get out here and run. Today is not as hot as it has been, but oh, I love it. They can stretch, and sucks my baby boys still have to just take turns, but it is what it is. So I can find homes for a few of them, and I can't give space like this to all of them. It's not now, maybe in the future. We're not going to leave these guys out at nighttime just because it is open back there. We can't take the roofing all the way across because of the trees. This can be their spring through summer digs and fall, actually. And then in the winters, they will be in the greenhouses. It's nice. Look at them hiding in their little bins. Hey, Venus. I can't tell. That might be Mercury. Venus and Mercury look a lot alike, except for that's Mercury. She's got the one ear that stays up and one down. Hey, Gemini. I don't know if I told you guys, but we named her Thistle. And then Jeremy's baby, this is the one he loved. We named her Hyperspace because she looks like what it looks like in Star Trek when they start going into hyperdrive. The black with the white stars that kind of blend. So she's Hyperspace. And then the white one we named Andromeda. And then the boy, the white boy we're keeping, and the black fluffy boy we are keeping are Nightshade and Cosmo. So the 3 in there don't have names because I'm hoping to find homes for them. She's like, oh, yes, yes. Oh.